The ocean depths are home to a myriad of fascinating and mysterious creatures, each boasting its own unique set of adaptations for survival. Among these wonders of the underwater world, the leafy sea dragon stands out as a captivating marvel of marine evolution. This enchanting and elusive species, belonging to the seahorse family, captivates marine enthusiasts and scientists alike with its intricate leaf-like appendages, vibrant colors, and remarkable camouflage abilities. Taxonomy and distribution. Leafy sea dragons, scientifically classified under the genus Phycoderus, consist of two recognized species, the weedy sea dragon and the leafy sea dragon. Endemic to the southern and western coasts of Australia, these enchanting creatures inhabit the temperate waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The leafy sea dragon is particularly synonymous with the coastal regions of South and West Australia, where their intricate camouflage allows them to blend seamlessly with the surrounding underwater vegetation. Morphology and camouflage. One of the most remarkable features of leafy sea dragons is their otherworldly appearance, resembling floating pieces of seaweed drifting through the water. Elaborate leaf-like extensions, called appendages or leaflets, adorn their bodies, providing an effective camouflage against predators and assisting in ambushing prey. The leafy sea dragon's ability to mimic the colors and textures of its environment is facilitated by pigmented cells in the skin, offering a level of camouflage that is nothing short of extraordinary. Physical characteristics. Leafy sea dragons, close relatives of seahorses, belong to the family Syngnathidae. What immediately sets them apart is their spectacular camouflage, resembling floating seaweed. The intricate leaf-like appendages that adorn their bodies serve as the perfect disguise in the kelp-covered coastal waters they call home. These intricate extensions, technically called dermal appendages, contribute to the leafy sea dragon's mesmerizing appearance. The leafy sea dragon exhibits sexual dimorphism, with the males typically larger than the females. Adult leafy sea dragons can reach lengths of up to 35 centimeters, and their slender bodies are adorned with a variety of leafy projections in shades of green, brown, and ochre, mirroring the surrounding kelp environment. Habitat and distribution. Endemic to the temperate coastal waters of southern and western Australia, leafy sea dragons are primarily found in the Indian Ocean and the waters surrounding the Great Australian Bight. They prefer sheltered areas with kelp forests and seagrass beds, where their exceptional camouflage skills allow them to blend seamlessly with the surroundings. Despite their limited distribution, these sea dragons play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. Behavior and reproduction. Leafy sea dragons are generally solitary and slow-moving creatures, drifting with the ocean currents as they search for small crustaceans, such as mysid shrimp, to feed on. Their unique method of propulsion involves the dorsal and pectoral fins working together to propel the sea dragon forward. One of the most fascinating aspects of leafy sea dragon biology is their method of reproduction. Unlike many other marine species, male leafy sea dragons are responsible for carrying and incubating the eggs. The female deposits her eggs onto a specialized patch on the male's tail, where they become embedded and receive oxygen from blood vessels in the tail tissue. The eggs then hatch, and miniature sea dragons emerge, each measuring about 1.3 centimeters in length. Ecological role and habitat. Leafy sea dragons play a crucial ecological role in their habitat, serving as both predators and prey. Their diet primarily consists of small crustaceans, including mysids and other tiny invertebrates. Despite their intricate camouflage, they face threats from larger predators such as fish and cephalopods. Human activities, including habitat destruction and pollution, also pose significant challenges to their survival. Feeding habits. Leafy sea dragons are carnivorous, feeding primarily on small crustaceans such as mysid shrimp and sea lice. Their method of feeding is unique. utilizing a long, tubular snout to create a vacuum and suck in prey. The efficiency of this feeding mechanism allows leafy sea dragons to thrive in their carefully chosen habitats. Conservation status and threats. Despite their captivating presence, leafy sea dragons face various threats that impact their populations. Coastal development, pollution, habitat degradation, and climate change all pose significant challenges to these delicate creatures. Their limited distribution and specific habitat requirements make them particularly vulnerable, leading to their classification as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving the leafy sea dragon's unique ecosystem and ensuring their continued survival. Conservation efforts. Several initiatives and conservation programs are underway to protect the leafy sea dragon and its habitat. Marine protected areas, habitat restoration projects, and community-based efforts aim to mitigate the impact of human activities on these delicate ecosystems. Public awareness and education campaigns also play a crucial role in fostering appreciation for these remarkable creatures and encouraging sustainable practices to safeguard their habitats. Overall, the leafy sea dragon, with its extraordinary appearance and captivating behaviors, serves as a testament to the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. As we delve deeper into the exploration and understanding of marine ecosystems, it becomes increasingly evident that these unique creatures are not only beautiful but also crucial to the delicate balance of underwater life. By recognizing the importance of conservation efforts and fostering a sense of responsibility towards our oceans, we can ensure that the leafy sea dragon continues to thrive, enchanting future generations with its mysterious allure. Thank you for watching. We hope you know a lot about leafy sea dragon. We appreciate your concern for animals and the environment. Saving animals and protecting their habitats is crucial for the well-being of our planet.